Hey hustlers, welcome back to Start Hustle Now, the channel where we turn ambition into achievement. Today, we're diving into the world of anime to draw some powerful lessons from the enigmatic AYANOKOJI KIYOTAKA. So let's decode the mastery of this classroom of the elite protagonist and see how we can apply his strategies to our own journey of self-improvement. AYANOKOJI KIYOTAKA is a character that embodies mystery and intelligence. With his calm demeanor and strategic mind, he teaches us the art of playing life like a chess game. Here are the key traits we can learn from AYANOKOJI. 1. Observation. AYANOKOJI's power lies in his keen observation skills. He understands the emotions and motivations of those around him, giving him an edge in any situation. Like AYANOKOJI, sharpen your perception and don't just listen, but hear what's unsaid. 2. Strategic thinking. He's always 2 steps ahead. To be like AYANOKOJI, plan your moves in advance and anticipate the actions of others. Life is unpredictable, but a well-thought-out strategy can give you control over the chaos. 3. Emotional control. AYANOKOJI never lets his emotions dictate his actions. Practice emotional intelligence and maintain your composure in the face of adversity. This will allow you to make decisions with clarity and precision. 4. Adaptability. Despite his meticulous planning, AYANOKOJI adapts to new challenges swiftly. Embrace change and be ready to pivot your strategies when necessary. Flexibility is a hallmark of a true hustler. 5. Self-reliance. Trust in your own abilities. AYANOKOJI relies on himself to get through challenges. Cultivate self-confidence and remember that your greatest ally is the person you see in the mirror every day. AYANOKOJI KIYOTAKA is more than just an anime character. He's a blueprint for success in the most competitive of environments. By adopting his traits of observation, strategic thinking, emotional control, adaptability, and self-reliance, we can navigate the complexities of life with a winning mindset. Remember, hustlers, it's not about being the best out of the gate. It's about constant growth and improvement. So take these lessons from AYANOKOJI, apply them to your hustle, and transform into the elite version of yourself. That's it for today's video. If you're ready to level up your life, hit that like button, subscribe, and join us on the journey to becoming the best version of ourselves. Until next time, keep hustling and stay elite. Don't forget to follow us on social media for daily doses of motivation and check out our other videos for more ways to hustle smart. This is Start Hustle Now, signing off. Keep striving, keep thriving, and see you at the top.